are we ready to go?
Yes.
We're ready to go on a butterfly adventure. You gonna see some butterflies, Ollie?
Yes.
You gonna see some butterflies, William? No. No. William doesn't really want to go, but we're making him anyway.
No, I'm going to see a butterfly.
A butterfly?
Yes. Mommy!
So we're getting a bit of a later start today, but we're on our way now to the butterfly park. So the butterfly park is in Cairns, which is where we were yesterday. So we're heading back, but we're not getting the train this time. We're going up in the car. Long, winding climb, next 12 kilometres. You ready to go see some butterflies? Yeah? Do you like butterflies? Are you ready to go see some butterflies?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're back in Cairns now, and we're about to go see the butterfly place. Okay, so break time halfway through the butterfly sanctuary, and Ollie needs a berry break. Alright, let's see if we can have a table. Okay, so we're at Frog's Restaurant in Cairns. We've just done the butterfly park and we're having some lunch. This is one of the top rated restaurants in Cairns, so we're going to give it a try. So we've just finished our lunch at the Frog's Restaurant and we're going to wander around Cairns, but Ollie is desperate for an apple, so we're on a mercy mission back to the car to get an apple out of the boot for Ollie, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like apples? Right, Ollie, what have you got?
Apple.
You got an apple. Right, you're going to start eating it? You're going to go back and find Mummy and William? Alright, let's go.
What are you reading? Show me. Is it a dinosaur book?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go into Bird World? And see the birdies?
What are you going to see? Who's going to see those birds?
You want what one? You're going to see that one, are you? Going into Bird World. One might land on you, Ollie. You might get a birdie land on you.
Oh, you're going right in.
Oh, quick enough.
Ha! Mommy!
Oh.
It feels so weird.
Dad. Dad, you hold
Did you see a turtle?
You found a turtle, did you? Alright, go show William.
The ducky. He's on the pram, is he? What's he going to do? He's going to try and ruin it, I think. Oh, he's already taken something off. Hey, mister.
We need that for another couple months.
Hey. Ollie, smile. William, smile. What ones are you getting?
You can get any 5 for 10, so we get 5. 3 for William, 2 for Ollie.
So that was Kuranda. We did lots of things. We went to the butterfly place, and then we went to the bird place, had a bit of lunch, and then walked around for a long time. So we're on our way back home now to the accommodation. Happy, Ollie?
Yes.
Yes. Happy, William?
My gems.
Oh, you got your gems, and Ollie, you've got your gems too.
Wait.
You've both got gems. Mummy's got a stingray thing and earrings. Mummy got a stingray and earrings, so everyone's happy. So this is Henry Ross Lookout, and we've just stopped for a second on our way back home to see what we can see.